guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Shreya and today I'm back with another video. So today's video is going to be a festive video, of course, because festive season is all in and it's time to glam up. So in today's video I'm going to share a festive makeup kit with you guys. So in this kit I have included everything right from moisturizer till the lipstick. So you're sorted for all the things for your entire festive look. Now overall the kit is going to be really affordable, and at some point where I feel the products are pricey, I have included affordable options as well. Also, I have not included a lot of skincare products in this video because this is particularly a makeup kit video. So if you want a skincare kit video, let me know in the comments down below and I'll be making a skincare kit video for you guys. So let's start, and also the links of all the products will be in the description box below. Also there is a great sale going on, so you can check out the links that I have given in the description box and you'll be getting around 60 to 70% off on all the products. So yeah, let's begin without any further ado. Okay, so first of all I'm gonna start the video with obviously a moisturizer or a aloe vera gel, something that you need to hydrate your skin. So I have two options available. So first I'm gonna share what I use. So on a daily basis I use this one. So this is let me just open and show this to you guys. It's from Megaglo. Now this is the Megaglo Youthful Moisturizing Gel. So let me show you how the packaging looks like. So this is how it actually looks like, and it is in the gel consistency and it's very hydrating. So you can use this one, and in case if you want to go for an affordable option, you can go for Indus Valley Bio Organic Aloe Vera Gel. So this is something that I use for routine purpose, and this is aloe vera gel, so this will be useful to you in many other DIYs, or you can just apply this over your skin at night just for hydration as well. So that was about the moisturizers. And now I actually do not use primers before applying makeup, but if you're someone who has very large pores and you require primer, here I have one option for you guys. I personally do not apply primer, and I wouldn't even suggest to if there's no need. But just in case if your makeup doesn't stay and you have very large pores and oily skin, you can definitely use a primer. I have dry skin and I don't have large pores as well, so I don't need a primer. Yeah, but if you're someone who needs a primer, here is the primer. Also, so sorry for the background noise, there's some construction going on. I waited for around 1 hour, but that didn't stop, so now I don't have any patience left. So yeah, so this is the Color Bar primer that I'm talking about. This is actually a primer water, and this you can also use after your makeup. Like you can just, you know, splits it on. It's very hydrating, and also it helps your base to stick on. So this product is really good. It's not so heavy, and instead of going for silicone based primers, I would definitely suggest you to go for this one. Also very handy, you can just throw it in your bag. So yeah, this is a must buy if you are looking for a primer. Okay, so now the next part that comes in is using a foundation or using a base. For foundation I have two options. Now if you're someone who thinks that your skin is really good, you don't need so much of foundation. If you are a teenage girl who has you know, just started using makeup and you don't want a heavy base with foundation, also you want something affordable, then I have this option for you guys. This is the Lakme 925 CC cream. Let me show you. Yeah, so this is the Lakme 925 CC cream. Now this comes in 3 shades: beige, honey and bronze. Now I'm in the shade 01, which is beige. This is for my skin type, like fair skin tone. Next is honey, which is for medium, and last is bronze, which is for dark skin tone. Now this gives a fair amount of coverage, but it's very natural. This doesn't give you complete coverage. So if you're someone who wants just a little bit of coverage, go for this one. And if you want a proper foundation which gives you a very good look, like a festive look, then my suggestion will always be Maybelline. So go for the Maybelline Fit Me foundation that I have been using since very long. You'll get this for around 450 to 500 rupees. Now the price might vary according to this discounts and deals going on, but once you buy this is going to last you for so long. And also this is a really good foundation. It suits like every skin type. You just need to select your shade wisely. Otherwise, this is the best foundation I've used till date. So that was all about the foundation. Now next comes concealer. So for concealer, I have only one option because I don't use concealer. I don't actually need it. So if you have dark circles, you need concealer. I don't have so prominent dark circles, so I actually do not use any concealer. But the concealer that I have is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 20 Sand. Now yeah, this is the concealer that I'm talking about. It's somewhere around 450 to 500 rupees. Again, this is also a really good concealer. Mostly concealers fall in this range, like it's from 350 to 450, somewhere in between. So I would say this is a really good buy, and this doesn't crease out. So this is a really good option if you're looking for concealer. Also, you can go for other concealers. Like the other that I would suggest is LA Girl concealer. Although I don't really use that concealer. I actually don't use concealer at all. But yeah, this is the one that I use just in case if I have to. So that was all the concealer thing. And also do not forget to check out the links below. I will be leaving it. Okay, so now comes the part of eyes. So for eye makeup, first of all, we have eyeshadow palettes. So I have two options for eyeshadow palettes. So first of all, let me show you the one that I have been using since so long. You might have seen this in almost all my videos. So if you want a palette with so many colors of the same shade, I would recommend Makeup Revolution's palette. This is the reloaded palette in the neutral shade. So this is how the palette looks like. This is the nude palette, so you can see all the brown and beige shades in this one. And this has really good pigmentation, and this is around 1000 rupees. But if you're someone who doesn't want to invest so much into this and you're just a beginner and you just use one or two shades for festive season, I have a really good deal for you guys. So for eyeshadow, the another option that I have is from Megaglo. So Popoxo has launched this eyeshadow palette. It's known as the Hot Mess eyeshadow palette, and this has 4 shades in it. Like, let me show you. So this is how it actually looks like. So this has like really vibrant colors. We have orange, then we have pink, we have yellow, and we have one beige kind of color. So all this would go really well with your festive look. Let me just show you one of the shades. I'll just use it on my eyelids because I have actually not applied any eyeshadow. Where's my brush? Okay, let me show you with my hands. So I'm going to use the pink one because that goes with my outfit, and I'm going to use this beige one towards the inner corners. So I'm just going to use, look at the pigmentation, you guys. I hope you guys can see how the pigmented this eyeshadow palettes are. Yeah. Now I'm going to use the pink one, so you'll actually be able to see the pigmentation. Look at this. This has really good pigmentation. I'm going to use this on my outer corners. Wow. Like, look at this. So good. Look at this. It looks so good. And now I'm going to use the same shade on another eye. So let's just use this one. Wow. This looks super festive, and this pink shade looks really good. So this is the product that you need to get for yourself. I'll leave the link in the description box, and this is from Megaglo. So yeah, I totally love this. So easy to carry and so pigmented, like totally worthy, and it's so affordable. I'll leave the price also on the screen and you can check the link also. Next, for the eye comes very important product for the festive season, which is a kajal. So I have this kajal from Megaglo. It's their jet black eyeliner, kajal and eyeliner. So I'm gonna show you a close-up. So this is how the product looks like. Now this kajal is totally smudge proof. I've actually used this many times, and also it's very pigmented. I have not even applied a kajal. Let me just apply and show this to you guys. Like, this comes in this retractable form, so very easy to carry. Now I'm gonna apply this. I just need one mirror. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply this right here. So I hope you guys can see the kajal that I have applied. I have also applied a very light layer because I didn't want a very bold look right now. So you just can see how good it looks. Also, it doesn't smudge at all. It's waterproof. So this is the kajal that you need to get for yourself. I'm gonna leave the link in the description box. Now, next thing that comes is blush. So blush is something really important for festive season because you need to add color to your face. So now for blush, the only blush that I use currently is from Megaglo. It's their K-Play Peach blush. Now I'm gonna show you how this actually looks like. So this is how the blush looks like. Now this is a very corally peach shade which goes with all kinds of look, and also it complements almost all skin tones. That's the reason that I use this blush. So I'm just gonna apply this blush and I'm gonna show you how good it is. So I'm just gonna take a little bit and I'm gonna, can you see? Like, look at this. Super natural. Like, it doesn't look so, you know, bright out there on your face. Really good to go, and I really like applying this. Like, look at this kind of gradient that it creates on your face. I totally love this, and also looks super natural. So this is really important for your festive look. So yeah, definitely get your hands on this one. I am in love with this blush. The next thing that I have is highlighter. Now for highlighter, the only highlighter that I use currently is from Wet n Wild. This is their Megaglo makeup stick. Very affordable. You'll get this for around like 300 or 400 rupees. Like, this is how it actually looks like. You get like 2 or 3 shades in this one. I have already used like 70-80% of the product. This is amazing, and it's in balmy texture, so it is very easy to blend. Like, even if you don't blend, it gives a very good finish to your you know, entire makeup look. So go for this. The next thing that I have is a compact powder. Now if you're someone who has oily skin, compact powder is like very important for you. So I have this compact powder from Maybelline Fit Me. I'm in the shade 120 Classic Ivory. So this compact powder is really good to use. Here you have the powder, and here you have the mirror, and you also get this you know, a beauty blender to apply, and it's very easy to use, easy to carry, and this gives you so much of coverage. So definitely go for this. Also, it's very affordable. You'll get this for like 300 or 400 rupees, and right now sale is going on, so make the most out of it. Click the link below and get this for yourself. The next important thing for a festive look is mascara. So I have this Hyper Curl waterproof mascara from Maybelline New York. So this again gives volume to your lashes. Also, it's waterproof, so it doesn't smudge out or doesn't, you know, create that black soot under your eyes. And this is really good to use, easy to use, doesn't clump your lashes as well. So go for this. This is again super affordable. It's like 350 or 400 rupees. So yeah. And now the final part of festive season is lipstick. So the lipstick that I use on a daily basis, a very simple lipstick, is this Maybelline Brick Collection 05 East Village Rose. Now a lot of people ask me when they see my pictures, when they see me face to face also, like which lipstick I am wearing, because the shade that I'm wearing right now also, it's this shade. It's very brownish nude kind of shade, and also at the same time it doesn't wash off your face. So this is the go-to lipstick of mine. although for festive season I have lot of options for you guys, so I've already made a detailed video on my favorite festive lipsticks. So I have recently uploaded the video, I guess 1 or 2 days ago, so you can just click the link. I'll provide it above and also in the description box. Go and check it out, and there I have shared my top affordable lipsticks for this festive season. So yeah, and for now you can consider this in your festive kit. It's very affordable, and also it's super creamy, matte, everything. I'm wearing it right now. I have applied a very light layer. You can build it up and create a dark shade out of this also. So yeah, this was all about my festive makeup kit, and I hope you guys loved it. Check out the link below and shop.